Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to do folds, which look like this. Start with the hula hoop in your right hand, palm facing towards the sky, arm fully extended. Keeping your arm extended, create momentum to move the hoop in a counterclockwise direction around your extended arm. As you do this, your wrist will point towards the ground. Here's a slowed view. When the hoop spins counterclockwise, I catch the hoop with my palm facing the ground. When the hoop spins in a clockwise direction, I catch the hoop with my palm facing the sky. I keep a very loose grip on the hoop to encourage an easy rotation around the arm. You can try bouncing with your legs to help give the hoop some momentum to rotate about your arm. Here's a view from the side. There's a slight difference in the way my palm faces depending on the direction of the fold. Try playing around with different levels and adding some speed to the folds. And once you feel like you've mastered it with your right arm, let's try it with your left arm. Take the hula hoop in your left hand, palm facing the sky. When the hoop rotates about my arm in a counterclockwise direction, I catch it with my palm facing up. Use momentum to rotate the hoop in a clockwise direction and catch the hoop with your palm facing the ground. Here's a view from the side. My arm stays extended but moves in such a way to give the hoop momentum to rotate about the arm. Again, my palm faces up when the hoop rotates in a counterclockwise direction and down when the hoop rotates in a clockwise direction. Try adding some speed and remember to keep a loose grip when holding the hula hoop. Let's now go over a couple transitions into and out of a fold. One is the reverse fold escalator, or is it a fold reverse escalator? Who knows, but it looks like this and I have a tutorial on it that's linked below. And here it is with my left arm. Another combo move is to do a fold, then jump your hand across your hoop to move into a fold again. You can also fold between your two arms. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like this video if you found it to be helpful. Bye.